Hey y'all, Centrisa here from Metamorphosis. Wanted to talk to you really quick about heat damage. As you can see here from this particular client, um, she has just gone through a shampoo and we're detangling the hair, and it has zero curl in a lot of places. Um, she had gone somewhere else to get a blowout, and this is someone that I've known for a very long time at this point. And I asked her why she didn't get a blowout with me. And she said, oh, well, the last time I got one, it didn't really hold the way I wanted it to hold. And, we had a discussion about that because if it is your first time getting your hair pressed, your hair is not trained, your natural curl is going to fight its way back. If you don't take the proper steps to maintain the blowout at home, it is going to battle back and your curl will return. So we did have that conversation, but she enjoyed the overall look of the blowout when she went somewhere else to get it. But when we go to shampoo, we have this situation that is going on here. So my recommendation for her, because she also had a lot of breakage that was going on in her hair in general, she's just having a lot of she's just having a lot going on when it comes to her hair. I'm gonna just leave it at that. So the game plan was for us to get back to the density that she had because her hair is naturally very, very, very thick. Um, I told her to go into protective styles for a few months, and we're going to have to grow it out and start over because these curls are pretty much done. And protective styles are really the only option unless she wants to cut it and start fresh. So my advice to you is to research who you are choosing for your particular service. Make sure that they pride themselves on the health of your hair first. Um, yeah, study heat application and how that works for your hair, because when you guys go through situations like this, it puts you into a, I don't really know the word that I can use for it, but it makes you guys very weary and fearful of heat application. And there's nothing wrong with it as long as you know how to use it, when to use it, how often to use it. Because if you start to see your hair kind of stretch a little bit, you know to leave it alone. But that's a different conversation for a different day. So make sure that you take the time to learn your hair, what works for your hair, what doesn't work for your hair, when to use heat, when not to use heat, especially if you're a person who likes to wear your natural curls and you want to preserve that. So yeah, this lady is in protective styles. Um I don't remember how long I told her to wear that, but we're at ground zero for a journey right now. And as long as there's a little patience and the routine is followed, we'll be okay. But if you need assistance with your hair at all, if you don't understand how to take care of your natural hair, you're frustrated with your natural hair, you don't know the first thing about natural hair or maintenance at home or in salon, I am more than happy to assist you. You can book your in salon experience or a virtual experience because I do offer virtual consultations at themetsalon.com. Yeah, I'm done. It's nothing else really for me to add here because I am getting ready to go into a ramble, and y'all not ready for that yet. So I'm gonna just go ahead and head out. Peace.